Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache over on the Snapchat app. There are multiple reasons why you might want to do this, but here's how you can actually do this. So in order to do this, just head over to your Snapchat app, just like this, and once you've done that, go and head over to chats, or what you can also just go and do is go to the top left corner of your screen right here, and once you've done that, simply go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon right here. Once you've done that, scroll all the way to the bottom of your screen right here, and then just try to find clear data right here. So for me it's under privacy controls, however if you're using an older version it might be somewhere else, but it should be right here under privacy controls. Then click on clear data. And right here you can clear a lot of things. However, if you click on clear cache, your entire cache will be cleared, and this will fix a lot of issues you might be having with your Snapchat, such as if your Snapchat is loading really slow or not opening, or just a lot of really weird things might going on with your Snapchat, and clearing your cache might help, and this is how you can do it. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.